So in the last video, we created a bunch of lookups and menus and validation rules. For example, the validation rule for postcode and the validation rule for email. What I want to do now is to take my title field and create a lookup table. So I've saved my database, or saved my table, sorry. And now what I want to do is to use the lookup wizard. So you pull down the menu, it says short text, and say lookup wizard. It's going to throw open a wizard for me so I can say, do I want to link to another table? In this case, I will type the values that I want. So a title, Mr. Smith or Dr. Jones or whatever. So if we use this column, common ones, Mr., Mrs., Ms., Miss, you might decide you want to go Doctor, Professor, let's see now, sister, father, reverend, goodness gracious, that's more than enough. And the reason why we're doing this, and you just saw there why actually, is that we'll get consistency. I am doing everything I can to stop my end user from having to use the keyboard because it means there's less likelihood they will make mistakes. So you saw I stuffed up my typing for reverend by putting a little r in there, fix that, and we're good. Also notice something else. The longest title here, Miss or Professor, is 4 characters long. Come down here to my field size, I will change that down to 4. Next, title, I'm going to limit this. So what do I want this to be called? I want it to be called title because that's the name of my field. Limit to list. And no, I don't want multiple values. Finish. Done. So I can change my field size here down to 4 now as well. Save. Cooking with gas. The next thing I want to look at will be a video all by itself because it does take a bit of time to work out. So that's the next video coming.